a skyscraper. First thing we're going to do is we zoomed in on the skyscraper and we're looking at the bottom area. We'll now take and use the pencil tool. We'll come over to the midpoint. You can tell that by the little blue line. We'll come up 7 feet, so I'll type 7 feet and I'll hit enter. Let's make this 4 feet wide, so I'll come over and I'll type in 4 feet, enter. I want it to go 4 feet the other way, so I'll type in 8 feet. Then we'll drop it down. Drop this down also. Let's go ahead and put an arch on the top of this. We'll go over to the 2-point arch. Click, click, and raise it up. We'll put it about like that. And now let's put some trim around the edge. We'll use the offset tool. I'll come over to it. And guess I need to let me undo that, Control Z. I need to find it. There we go. Now we can put this arch in our area in the right way. I think I want to make that maybe 10 inches. Whoa. You know what happens when you put 10 feet instead of 10 inches? That's what you get there. Let's try that again. I'll just go ahead there and I'll put in 10 and inches, and then we'll try that again. Perfect. Now we're going to let's see, why don't we add a little area for, we'll go to the midpoint. Let's see, go here. We'll go up about a foot from that. I'll use the measurement. I'll click on it, and raise it up, and we'll go 1 foot. The reason we're doing that is so that we can put a little bit of a roof to protect the area. We'll go back to the same line tool, and we know now how high to make it. We're going to pull that out a little bit using the push-pull tool. We'll come over to here, we'll pull it out. Let's make it maybe 6 feet. And there we go. Now we have a little shelf. We're at the point now where we just need to add a couple windows. So we'll add some windows in here. We'll use our measurement to help us out. We'll come up maybe, I'll say 3 feet. So 3 feet, enter. And then from there, we'll go up maybe 4 feet. Let's make it 6 instead. 6 feet. That will be a little bit bigger window. From our side, we'll click, we'll come over. Let's go over about 10 feet. Do the same thing from the other side. Click and pull 10 feet. And then from, well, let's try that again. 10 feet, enter. Now from here, we're going to click on it again. We're going to come over. This time we'll come over 15 feet. So 15 feet, enter. I don't have to put a whole line there, but I can if I wanted to just click on it and then pull it. It will give me the line coming along the whole length. 15 feet, enter. So you can see the difference if I just touch it or if I pull the line. Now we're ready to go ahead and put some windows here. So with the rectangle tool chosen, we'll come over here. We'll go just like this. Click. Over here on the other side, same thing. We'll use the offset tool in order to make a little edge on there. Let's go with 6 inches. 6, shift, inch mark. We'll do the same thing on the other one. 6 inches. And now we're ready to do a little bit of coloring. Just for the sake of clarity here, let's go ahead and use the eraser. And I'm going to erase these guidelines that I have. I could leave them. They don't really cause any issues, but it makes it a little bit easier for you to see. So now they're gone. Now let's go ahead and do a little bit of painting on this level. We'll start out. We click on the paint bucket. Under the materials, let's go ahead and do the windows first. So under here we will look for glass and mirrors. It used to be translucent, but now it's glass and mirrors if you had an older version. So we'll find a translucent glass to choose from, and I'm seeing that my screen, let's see, let me pause that. Okay, there we go. I noticed that the palette was off the edge and you couldn't see what I was seeing. So we're going to, again, we'll go back to the glass and mirrors. We'll choose a translucent glass. I'll just click it into the areas where I want to have the glass added. Let's go over and find something for the outside. For the bottom, I'll just go with stone. We'll go with the dark brown granite, and we'll put that all the way around on our edge. Put it right here. Maybe on our trim, that would be good too. And then we're going to find, let's just use a light granite since we're in here. Add that in place, and that looks pretty good. You can see now that we have our bottom floor finished. There, that'll touch it off a little bit. And that looks pretty good. Now we're going to go to the next layer.